If you are looking to buy any of our products listed on Microsoft AppSource, this video is here to guide you from making a purchase to creating an account. So let's begin. This should be relatively the same process for any of the products we have on AppSource, but I will be using CB Exchange Server Sync as an example. On the AppSource page, click on the Get It Now button. Choose the amount of sync pairs suitable for your scenario. Choose whether you want reoccurring billing and exactly how many users you need. Add a payment method, and if you're a company, add a tax ID. Then place your order. Once your order is successful, you can click on Configure SaaS account down here. And from here, we can choose between our US hosted service or our EU hosted service. Check the consent box and click Subscribe. It is worth noting that you will not find your activation token when clicking on Go to all subscriptions. This page shows what products you have of ours and their subscription status. Your activation token can be found in your email, which you should have already received at this point. Copy the token and click on Activate Service. You should now find yourself at our SaaS login page. If you have an account, please log in and proceed to activate your activation token in the configuration section. If you don't have an account, creating one is easy. We will do it together. Enter your company, an email address, and a strong password. Complete the CAPTCHA and create your account. Now we will need to verify the account. Head over to your email to confirm your registration. And now we can log in. Once we are on the landing page of our SaaS platform, we can click on the configuration wizard over here. Select the product you've purchased and proceed with setting up your account. Don't forget the token we sent to your email, as you'll need it later. If you're looking for a complete setup guide for the product, please check the description where we've linked all relevant videos. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have questions, please do feel free to reach out over on our site or through email.